It's hard to believe, but McDonald's did not always have breakfast. Yeah, up until about 1975, finding breakfast at McDonald's was pretty hard. 71 was the first year they actually came out with a, I can't believe it, but it was an Eggs Benedict through the drive-thru. It's a terrible idea. It was a horrible idea. Canned hollandaise sauce is gross, and how would you even eat that? It's a knife and fork thing. Completely defeats the purpose. They played around with it. They took cheese instead of the hollandaise sauce, which is a no-brainer, and basically put the top bun on top of the English muffin, and you ended up with this guy. The Egg McMuffin, the beautiful start of this, and this is the pinnacle of the creation. This is the Sausage McMuffin with egg. I'm going to show you how to make them right now. Better, faster, cheaper in the drive-thru kitchen. Without doing the used car salesman voice. I promise that was the last time. Bonus side of hash browns. Oh yeah, come on. Let's get cooking. In order to make the McDonald's McMuffin breakfast sandwiches, you're going to need a couple of things. I have done the legwork on this to try and figure out exactly the easiest way to do this and the most economical, which it's going to be ironic in a second. But these right here from Wally Mart are about the cheapest, bestest way to do this. They are already pre-cooked. You just have to basically brown them, sizzle them off. You can see right here, they look lovely and beautiful. They actually look pretty good when they're done. We're just going to cook those up. That bag's about $10 and you got 20 of them in there, so it's about 50 cents. Somewhere in that range. If you're doing the regular Egg McMuffin, you're going to need Canadian bacon. And look, oh, I got the stuff that's the size of the, yeah, they have this special stuff. This is super cheap. You get, what is it, like 8 pieces for $8. So actually I think it's like $5 or $6. It's not cheap. So that's a little spendy right there. We have these English muffins. You can make your own English muffins. Hell, you can slaughter your own hogs, and you 2 for 1 right there. You can make your own cheese. You can grow your own chickens. Raise your own chickens. Do you grow chickens or you raise chickens? I don't know. They do grow. But do you grow them? I don't think so. So we have these English muffins. Back onto wherever the hell I was just 2 seconds ago. You can make these or you can buy these. They're not terribly expensive. This isn't the expensive part. The singles, maybe it's what, 30 cents a slice, something like that. Hash browns, oh, come on, you gotta have the hash browns. So they have the bigger ones and the little ones. These are the bigger ones. You can buy the little ones, but they're basically the same price and you're getting more out of this. So I get the bigger ones. These are like the Jack in the Box or the Taco Bell hash browns that go in the Crunch Wrap. So bonus, you can do other things. This is the important part. These right here, these rings, you have to have these or you got nothing. You can buy these on the Amazon. I will leave a link in the description down below. It's an affiliates link. If you order them, I get like 3 cents. And I appreciate it because it helps support the channel. But the eggs are the hard part. Come on, we know what the price of eggs is these days. I can only afford the 2. Luckily, they're selling them in singles, but you got to get them with the trunk of the car and the guy out in the parking lot going, hey, you want some eggs? I got eggs. And he opens his coat and he's got like all the eggs. Yeah, that's where I got these. They were only about $16 for the 2 of them, so really economical. Thanks, 2024. Suck it. 2025, please fix some stuff, okay? All right, but basically this is what you need if you're going to be doing this. We're going to go over and cook it, and then we're going to eat it, because that's the whole point of cooking, eating. Okay, I split the English muffins and we're just going to put them in the pan here with some butter and get them toasted up. I put the butter in the pan, not on the muffins. That's important so they don't get overly greasy. The sausage patty's going in. It's already pre-cooked, so you know you don't have to worry about anything but just getting it brown. We got the rings already in there. I throw the Canadian bacon in. We're just going to warm that up a little bit. Don't overcook it or it'll get really rubbery. That is bad. The sausage is looking perfect. That's great. All right, so we've got a little bit of butter in our rings. I'm putting an egg in each one. I've got a little salt and pepper on the eggs already. It's perfect right here. And to be authentic, you've got to break the yolk. They'll also sometimes get a steam pocket in there, so just kind of tease that out a little bit. Put a cover on it. Now I'm adding about a tablespoon of water. Okay, that's way more than a tablespoon of water, but that steam is really going to bring it together. You can see right there. Oh, look at that. You can see it cook right before your eyes. Okay, that's sped up a little bit. But yeah, let's just pop the rings off. Sometimes they stick. You might need a knife around the edge to get them off. This time didn't. We're just going to toss that over and cook the other side for a few seconds. Boom, that's it. They're perfect. Oh, and we have hash browns. Didn't I say something about hash browns? Here you go. Oil's at 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. We just cook them till they're nice and crispy like that. Drain them off on a paper towel. Salt the heck out of them, and we're ready to go. All right, everything is cooked. That was super easy. You can see how that's done. Use a big frying pan, makes this much easier. And we have, oh yeah, we are ready. We have, these are toasted beautifully. A little bit of butter. Don't tell anybody. Makes them way, way better. We've got our slices right here of our cheese. They're individually wrapped for your protection. I don't know what that means. I have 3 slices of cheese. You don't need to know about that 3rd slice. What the? They just don't make them like they used to. Thanks, 2024. All right, I'm going to stop bitching about that year, but not for a while. All right, we are going to put our sausage down. You can see, that's perfect, right? We got our Canadian bacon. Oh, it's so cute. It's so small. We have our beautifully fried poached-ish egg going down here like this. You have to break the yolk. A secret. And Sausage McMuffin with egg. Egg McMuffin. At home. Only cost you about 40 bucks. What a deal. That is fantastic. And now you know how to make these things. Give me a second to take a thumbnail and I'll be right back. Okay, folks. We're done. I can't touch this one. That one is spoken for. I'm just the short order cook around here. I take orders and that one is spoken for. I can eat this one though, and I'm going to. Now, people debate what to put on these, if you put anything on it at all. I'm a ketchup guy. I'm also a spicy sriracha mayo guy. Oh man, go spicy on these things. It's friggin' delicious. But yeah, a little bit of ketchup for me makes it, so I have a little bit of ketchup. See, I made a little smiley face. It's because it brightens your day, right? Come on. Everyone loves a little smiley face on there. Am I weird? Yeah. But is the ketchup on this weird? Comments. All right. Got to get a bit with the ketchup and you got to smear it in because you screw that smiley face, right? Yeah. All right. Oh man, that is 1,000 times better than McDonald's. The egg, it's beautiful. When you toast the English muffin like that, it really makes it delicious. And you get all the stuff all over your face. It's awesome. But the sausage, well, it's a frozen sausage patty that tastes exactly like their sausage patty. I mean, it really does. If you look at this thing, it's got the look. It's exactly it. You got the egg in there, it's exactly the Sausage McMuffin with egg. And here is the Egg McMuffin. You got come on, it's perfect. It's amazing. It's incredible. You're going to make this thing because it's delicious. And now you don't have to go through the drive-thru because you can make it in home, in your own kitchen, the Drive Thru Kitchen. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you on the next video with more fun stuff like this.